Up to now, we've been working with the slope-intercept form of an equation. Today, I'm going to introduce a different form, which is called the point-slope form. And before we learn how to actually write an equation in point-slope form, I'd like to show you where this actual form comes from. So when we talk about slope, we know that slope is the formula y minus y1, our difference in our y values, divided by the difference in our x values. And that equals our slope. Now, if we were to go ahead and get rid of the fraction in this particular equation, right there, we can multiply by that denominator, x minus x1, and if I do it to this side of the equation, I have to multiply on this side of the equation. So over here, x minus x1 is going to cancel out, and it's going to leave me with y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. And this is the equation point-slope form. Now I'd like to show you how we're actually going to use this formula to write an equation. Let's say we have this problem. Write an equation in point-slope form of the line having a slope of 3 and passing through the point 2, 6. Well, we know that our slope is 3, and we know that our point is 2, 6. And as a reminder, this is my x1, this is my y1. So there's our slope and our point, and all we're going to do is plug it into the equation. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. This will be the formula used for all point-slope form equations. We're going to start with our y minus. Now y1 we know is 6. And that will equal our slope, which is 3, x minus 2, which is our x1. As a quick reminder, every equation has to have an x and or a y, otherwise it won't be an equation, a linear equation. So this is our equation in point-slope form. Let's try another one. What if I have one where the slope is 1/3 and my point is -2, -5? We're going to go ahead and use that same formula. We'll start with y minus. Now y1 is going to be -5. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in parentheses so that we don't have two signs right in a row. My m, we know, is 1/3, so I'm going to plug in 1/3. And then I have x minus, and here again, I've got a negative. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a smaller parenthesis for now. Now, when I have a negative and a negative, those two together will become a plus. So I get y plus 5 equals 1/3. And here again, two negatives together will make a plus, x plus 2. And here's my equation. So basically, when you're looking at a negative value for the x-coordinate or the y-coordinate, you're actually going to end up with a plus in your equation. So let's go ahead and try doing one where we just plug it in as a positive. Let's say my m is -4 and my point is -1, 6. So we're going to go y minus. Now 6 is positive, so we're just going to leave it like that. My slope is -4. And then x minus a -1 minus a -1 will give me a plus 1. And here again is your equation. And that's it.